This food truck is amazing. This is a banquet truck from China, used as a mobile restaurant. When the upper part is unfolded, the truck reveals its true form. Simply moving the partition that is revealed below can transform the space into a spacious restaurant. Moreover, air conditioning is operational, and the interior decor is quite varied. With enough space to seat around 200 people, it is even used to hold weddings inside. However, this truck still has many areas that need improvement. The partitions installed inside the truck are very thin, making them far from sturdy. And when each wing is unfolded, the truck body tilts in the direction of the wing.